So the question is a mixture of 2.3 grams of formic acid and 4.5 gram of oxalic acid is treated with concentrated H2SO4. The evolved gaseous mixture is passed through KOH pellets. So we have to calculate the weight of the remaining product at STP. So first we will add the reactions which are involved in this question, which will be HCOOH. It is reacted with H2SO4. So it will form CO plus H2O, and then the oxalic acid is reacted with H2SO4. So this will form CO2 plus CO plus H2O. Now we will calculate the number of moles of formic acid and oxalic acid. So for that we will use the given weight, which is 2.3 of formic acid, and the molecular weight of this compound will be 46. So the moles will be 0.05 moles. And for the oxalic acid, the weight given here is 4.5, and the molecular weight for that is 90. So the number of moles will be 0.5, and the CO is calculated two times in this reaction also and in this, both in first and second reaction. So the number of moles of CO will be 0.05 plus 0.05, which will be 0.1 moles. And so as we have calculated here 0.05 for both formic and oxalic acid, so 0.005 moles will be formed of CO and CO2. Similarly, we will form 0.05 moles of CO2, CO and H2O. So CO2 will also have 0.05 moles, and H2O will be also formed in the quantity of 0.05. And then it is written in the question, the evolved gaseous mixture is passed through the KOH pellets. So the KOH pellets, what it does is it will absorb all the CO2, and as a reaction was with H2SO4, this H2O will also get absorbed by the H2SO4. So only CO will be left. So now we will calculate the weight of CO, which is number of moles is 0.1, and the molecular weight of this is 28. The answer will come as 2.8 grams. Thus option C is the answer.